Well?
Do you know, I don't know.
It doesn't look much like a dinosaur, does it?
No. Looks more like, well, I have to say, it looks rather like,
Yeah. It looks like a bird.
Yes, Groove! I know! And it can't be a bird, can it, too?
No, because birds only have two...
So, what is it, Groove? Groove? No, not again.
What an extraordinary-looking dinosaur. Looks just like a bird.
We know, Hubba Hubba.